Tandaan nyo yung utos ng Diyos sa inyong dalawa. Ibigin at irespeto. Doon lang umiikot.
Falling in love with you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside of me, it's almost...
Hi love, ito na, this is it. Dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. Katulad ng regalo ko sa'yo. Simple man, pero sure ako na babagay sa'yo 100%. Pero ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat na regalo na maibibigay ko sa'yo ay ang aking pagmamahal sa inyo ni Caleb. Sabi nga nila, love is the greatest gift of all. I love you.
Thank you. See you later.
I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side.
Napakaswerte ko kasi ako ang pinili mo at saksi ang lahat ng tao na nandito, pati na rin sa harap ng Panginoon. Salamat kasi mula sa simula, lagi mo akong sinusuportahan at hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin, hindi nagbago.
Sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo lahat at mahalin mo yung asawa mo. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. Congratulations, anak.
Hi, love. Thank you for always being a good provider since day one. You've always been the generous me that sometimes you forget about yourself. Di bali nang wala ka, basta meron kami ni Caleb. Accept this gift from me. You really deserve it. Kulang pa yan sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa amin mag-ina. Lagi na lang ikaw ang nagbibigay. Ako naman. Hope you like it. I miss you. I love you. See you later. From your wife-to-be.
I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better.
Today I get to marry the protector of my heart, the reason for my smile and the love of my life. Mahal kita. I love you. Ich liebe dich, nur dich alleine. Deine Frau Kat.
Shukran, Habibi. Pinapangako ko na magkasama tayo sa lahat ng panalo at talo natin sa buhay. In sickness and health. Andito lang ako kasama mo hanggang sa magkaroon tayo ng maraming apo at hanggang sa huling hininga ko, andito ako para sa inyo ni Kayley. Mahal na mahal ko kayo at mahal na mahal kita.
forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, oh yeah. Every little thing that you do, yeah. Oh, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.